Good morning. This is my 100th YouTube episode. Woohoo! I still don't know how I'm going to celebrate it, or I'm going to celebrate it at all. But yeah, that's 100. It's a number. In many countries, it's like a test drive for the new governments. It's always given them 100 days to prove that they can handle the situation in a country and do something what they've been promising to all the folks in a country. So I think I kept my promise to you to do the videos every single day, right? What do you think about that? I think I kept it, and this is not like a announcement to stop this vlog, of course not. It's just the beginning. That's just the first step. See you later. Personally, me, I started running in the mountains just because when I'm on a going down, I felt that I'm using more energy to slowing down my body, because otherwise I will slip. And time after time I started running just because in that areas where I went it was too slippery. But when you make it like a small steps, which is kind of running already, so then you may feel more stable. That's all the story about my running in the mountains. Mat pagi. Permisi. Usual stuff done. So happy to have you back, Elliot.
Happy to be back.
100 episodes. 100 episodes. That's what I am celebrating today. And this is a place where it's all started. That means 100 episodes. That's more than 3 months ago. How I'm feeling? I don't know what I'm feeling actually at the moment. It's just became a kind of routine for me, and I'm happy I'm in this moment with this 100 episodes, and I'm still keep going, and I'm feeling comfortable with it. That's what I'm feeling actually. When I started, there was no plan to make episode every single day. I was worried about what I'm gonna post and what will be the content I will find. We started actually, if you still remember, we started with some couple of videos from Bedugul and Kintamani, which is in the mountains of Bali. If you still remember, originally it started with the episode where we are moving out of our dive center. And that was a moment when I felt that I kind of losing control of everything, and I losing contact with all of you. And that was a moment when I decided to post every single day a video to have this contact. And this is a small piece of the first episode where I announced that now I'm gonna post every single day. And this is a time when to create some new routines or new habits. I decided to make a vlog every day. So that means you will have a new, fresh content every day from us. First episodes took a lot of my time, and the editing was really long, like 4 hours, 5 hours for one episode. And it was pretty stressful time because I wasn't really sure what time to post. And in the beginning, if you remember, that I started posting like 8 p.m. and then it was like a kind of, I just finished the episode and then I did uploading, and then it took a time with this Bali internet. It took us so long time to upload. So finally I was completely drained out and overexhausted because I always finished around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. The schedule was really distractive. And that was a time when I decided to post in the morning, because then I can just leave my videos for the upload, and it's uploading all the night, and when I wake up in the mornings then it's already uploaded, and all I have to do is just to add thumbnail, some description to the video, and then it's ready for you to watch. The biggest challenge always been what to post, basically content, and so that's why in some point it became like a diary of the day, not the diarrhea. Sometimes, like for example yesterday, when I don't know what to post, I just jump on a motorbike and just go somewhere, and all this content comes up by itself, and that's the great. I'm living actually in a great place, and there's always something to post, and there's always some small story to tell you. Hey. And then so many of you. There, one. Wrong. This one. With a snorkel and mask. It's super hot outside. What a nice visit.
We go diving.
I didn't start this vlog for the purpose of advertisement for myself. I actually started this one just to do something, because it's nothing worse for me than to do nothing. I actually get really frustrated of doing nothing, so that's why I keep going, and I'm really thankful that you are watching and then you following it, and there's more and more people following me, so I'm feeling like I'm not alone here in this situation. This everyday episode makes me more and see more than I ever seen before. Like, I've been in a places I never been during this 4 years, almost 4 years of living here in Bali. My plan is to keep going. Let's say maybe this is an announcement for another thing, but I think I'm gonna post every single day for the next year. And it's a kind of challenge. Like I did only 1/3 of my plan in this case, and I don't know, maybe in some point it will become really difficult, but I think it's like a kind of, I like challenges. 100 episodes and many more to come. I really hope that in some point we will be able to travel a little bit more. In a couple of days we're going to Gillies, and then there will be something from the Gillies as well. So yeah, keep watching, don't give up on us, and so see you tomorrow again. Yeah, tomorrow again. Bye.